Welcome to another episode of CobblerNCoals. I'm your host, Mr. Tim, and it's breakfast time. We broke out the griddle, and today I'm going to do a popular breakfast for patrols. You can do this for Cub Scouts. You can do this for adults, anybody who's camping. If you've got a griddle, a campsite griddle, you can knock out breakfast for a large group of people in just a short amount of time. Stick around. Let's get cooking. First thing we're going to do with today's recipe is going to get some sausage onto the griddle to start browning up. Oh, that's a great sound. Now, a lot of people go immediately to start breaking it up. I like to let it develop a crust a little bit on that side, then flip it over to another side, and then start breaking it up. Today you see me using half a pound of sausage, and you'll see that I'm only using 6 eggs. If you're making this for a large group, this is totally scalable. You can double the sausage and double the eggs, and you get a good amount of burritos in the end, all depending on how you want them to be thick or smaller burritos. When the sausage gets to about 90% done, you're going to move it over to the cool side. It's going to finish cooking while it's over there, and you get the eggs done. Now we've got our eggs in a mason jar, easy to take with you to camp. You don't have to worry about them getting broken in your cooler. And the great thing about this is shake it up inside the jar, and that scrambles it up. Now that you have no worry that your eggs are going to run out the back grease trap, it's time to hit it with a little house of flavor. You know, many people think, okay, the steakhouse seasoning, is that the only one that you like? No, it's just I ran out of all the other ones. So I'm going shopping this weekend. And now we'll just turn off the burners. We'll be back to them, I promise. Into the bowl we go. And this is where the magic starts to come together. Take about a half a pound of shredded cheese. And you start to mix it together. You don't have to worry about mixing it while it's on the griddle, because the heat from the eggs and the sausage will start to melt it while it's in the bowl. Now it's time to assemble. Take about a fourth of what you have as far as your filling. In this case, I'm making 4 nice sized burritos for my family. And there you have 4 awesome sized burritos. But we're not done yet. Now that we got the burritos rolled up, put them back on the griddle, seam side down. This is that pro tip that we're all looking for. Seam side down, get them a nice little grill marks. You'll see in just a few moments. We gotta go nice and gotta show you the cross section. Normally I don't cut mine. And there you have it. An amazing breakfast knocked out in what, 15 minutes? Cheese is nice and melty. The tortilla is not soft and bland. By giving that little bit of a toast on the griddle afterwards, it soaks up a little bit of that sausage grease. It is amazing. The eggs are awesome. This is great to take on the go as you're getting ready to start any scout activity. What's your favorite thing to do for a morning breakfast while you're camping? Let me know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Get out there and make something legendary.